Hello, childrens. Good morning. How are you, childrens? Today we are going to write from A to Z uh, capital letters with a small one. So, are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, okay, you have to take care. One there will be one slanting line, then next slanting line, and one transverse line. Again, one curve and one straight line. And in B, we have to write one straight line, then one dishum, again dishum. That is two half circle. And again in a small b we have to take a straight line and one half circle or curve line. In C we have to write down one big C, one curve, big curve, and then a small curve C for a small letter. And for D we have to draw one straight line, then one curve, but you have to take care that second curve will be toward left hand side. Its face will be toward left hand side. Okay, so don't forget, take care of this one. For a small d we have to draw one straight line and then one curve line. For E, one straight line and then a small uh, transverse line. And again for a small e you have to draw uh, for a small e you have to draw uh, one curve line and a small circle. Now we had done up to E. Now we will write F. Now G. Now H. Now I. Now J. So in writing F you have to draw one straight line and then two transverse line, one bigger one and then a smaller one. And for F you have to draw a small curve, then one straight line and one transverse line. And for G we have to draw one curve line and then one transverse line and then one straight line. For a small g we have to draw a small curve and one straight line, then it will bend little one. For H we have to draw two straight line and one transverse line. For a small h we have to draw one straight line and one curve touching the uh, third line of your English notebook. And for I we have to draw one straight line and two little transverse line. And for a small I, we have to draw a small straight line and one dot. For J, we have to draw one straight line and one transverse, a small line, and one curve J. And as for a small j, again one straight line with a little bend at down and one point at at the top of a small j. Now what will come after j? It is, tell me, good, it is k. One straight line and one curved line, one slanting line, and again one slanting line. Okay. For a small k, we have to again draw a small a standing line and then one, two slanting line. For L, we have to draw a straight line and one transverse line. And for a small l, just one straight line. For M, you have to draw one straight line for a small m. Touch the third line. For N, one straight line and then a small n. For K, we have to draw one straight line and then one slanting line and again two slanting line. They will touch at the same point. And for a small k, one straight line and slanting line, but with of a small size. It is bigger one and it is a smaller one. For this L, one straight line and then one transverse line, and for a small l, just one straight line. For M, one little bit slanting line, again slanting line, then again slanting line and again slanting line, M. For a small m, take one straight line and then one curvical line touching third line and again one curve touching third line. For N, write a straight line, then one slanting line, then again a straight line, then a straight line for a small n and for one curve. N. Oh. Oh. P. Q. Q. R. S. So for O, one circle oval shape, for a little bigger, touching first line and third line, and a small o will be between the middle two lines, that is second line and third line, touching third line. For P, one straight line and one curve, again for a small p, one straight line and one curve. For Q, you have to draw a circle or oval shape and one slanting line. For Q, one circle, one oval shape and then one straight line touching third line. For R, one a straight line, one curve, and one slanting line. Again for a small r, one standing line and one transverse line. S, you have to draw one curve and then second curve, and similarly for a small s. T, what will be next? U, very good. What will be next? V. What will be next? W. T, for T we will draw one a straight line and one transverse line. For a small t, draw one a straight line and it will be bent at the end, and one transverse line. For U, you have to draw one a straight line and it will bend at down, and one a straight line and it will both line will meet at the end. For a small u, you have to draw similar, but it will be between second and third line. And for V, one slanting line and another slanting line meeting at the end, and similarly a small v. And for W, one slanting line, second slanting line, third slanting line, and fourth slanting line. And for a small w, similarly, but it will be between a small second line and third line of your notebook. What will be the next? Tell me. Oh, great. X. What will be next? Y. And what will be the last one? Tell me. Z. Z or Z. Okay. X, one slanting line and another slanting line. It will cross. And similarly a small x, and for y, one a small slanting line and second bigger slanting line, similar y. And for z, one straight line, one slanting line and one a straight line, similarly z. Thank you children for attending my class. Hope you had enjoyed, and if you have any issue, then again repeat the video. Thank you. Bye.